Now we can go to the grammar part. Simple present tense. What is simple present tense? What is happening now? I teach you. What I am doing now? I am teaching you. Now we can see what is a verb. Doing words or action words are called verbs. Doing words or action words are called verbs. Can you say some verbs? Jump, run. These all are verbs. Action verbs. Verbs show actions that happen regularly. Verbs show actions that happen regularly. They are in the simple present tense. They are in the simple present tense. Here you can see some examples. I walk to the park. I walk to the park. Walk is a action word. I walk to the park. Kiran helps his mother in the kitchen. Kiran helps his mother in the kitchen. Which is the action word there? Helps. Kiran helps his mother in the kitchen. Birds fly. This is the action word here. Fly is the action word. The earth goes around the sun. The earth goes around the sun. You can see the action words here. Walk, helps, fly, goes. These are known as simple present tense. What is happening now? Now we can study present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. It is a continuous tense. It is going on. What is going on? So here you can see the present continuous tense is formed using am, is, are, then action word plus ing. Am, is, are, then action word plus ing. For example, I am teaching. I am teaching. You can see am. I am teaching. This is the action word plus ing. Understood? That is a continuous tense. Present continuous tense. I am teaching. Amit is reading. Amit is reading. Which is the action word here? Reading. Read plus ing. Read plus ing. So Amit is a singular person. So you can see is. Amit is reading. The students are reading. Students, more than one person. So the students are. We are using are here. Are reading. This is the action word here. Read plus ing. This is present continuous tense. Once again, present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? The actions plus ing form. Action words plus ing form. For example, jump plus ing, jumping. Sing plus ing, singing. Run plus ing, running. These all are present continuous tense. For example, I am teaching. Teach is the action word here. We are adding ing. Teaching. So it is continuously happening for an hour. Can be 2 hours. Isn't it? Amit is reading. Read is the action word here. We are adding ing there with read. So this is known as present continuous tense. Now we are going to learn simple past tense. What is simple past tense? The things which are happened earlier. When we talk about the things, that means we are saying the action which is happened earlier. Okay, you can see it is formed. Simple past tense is formed by adding ed to the verb. Ed to the verb. What's a verb? An action. An action. You can see so many words you can say, isn't it? Talk, walk, jump, run, write. These all are action words. You can see the verbs here. Talk, walk, paint. When we are adding ed to the verb, it becomes past tense. Understood? So here you can see talk, talked, walk, walked, paint, painted. We are adding ed to the verb. It tells an action took place in the past. It tells an action took place in the past. What is an action? These are the action. Talk, walk, painted. When it took place? In the past. When it is in the past, earlier. It happened earlier. When we add ed form, you can see it is in the past form. Talked, walked, painted. For example, I talked to him yesterday. When did you talk to him? I talked to him yesterday. That is happened in the past. Yesterday is the past form here. They walked to the school in the morning. They walked to the school in the morning. When we are saying in the noon time or in the evening, we used to say that it happened in the morning. So we use past form there. She painted a picture last week. When did she paint the picture? Last week. It is the past form there. We studied how to use simple past tense using ed form. Now we can learn how we are going to use in another way. There are other ways in which simple past tense is formed. When the verb ends in e, when the verb, which is a verb? It can be anything. Like is a verb. Bake, smile. It is, you can see here, it is ending with e sound. Okay, with the verb ends in e, we add only d is added. D is added. Like, liked. You can see here d is added. Again, you don't want to add e. It is already here. Like, liked. Bake, baked. Smile, smiled. For example, I like the ice cream we had yesterday. I like the ice cream we had yesterday. You can see adding d here. Like, liked. Now we can see which are the other ways simple past tense are formed. Verbs ending in consonant plus y. Verbs ending in consonant plus y. What's a consonant? Do you know what is a vowel? The vowels are 5 letters are there. A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? So the other remaining letters are known as consonants. The verbs ending in consonant plus y. You can see the example here. Study, studied, study. You can see this is the consonant plus y. Studied, study, studied. The y, here you can see the y plus consonant plus y. Y changes into IED. Studied. Copy, copied. This is a consonant and plus Y changes into IED. Copied. Next one is verbs ending in vowel plus Y. Now I told you which are the vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Here you can see this is a vowel. A is a vowel. A here vowel plus Y changes into played. Y, E, D. Played. Obey, obeyed. E is a vowel. Vowel plus Y changes into obeyed. Here you can see obey. Y is already there. But we are adding ED. Obeyed. Obey, obeyed. You can see when consonant comes, we are adding IED. Here you can see Y. Y changes into IED. When vowel comes, vowel plus Y comes, we are adding only ED. In some verbs, the consonant at the end is doubled. The consonant at the end is doubled. You can see the example here. Clap, clapped. Here you can see the consonant and it is doubled. We are writing it 2 times. PP, ED and adding the past form, that is known as ED. Understood? Trap, trapped. Trap, trapped. We are doubling the P here, consonant here. Trap, trapped. Some verbs change completely. The verbs which are changing, some are there, they are changing completely. See, so. See, so. Say, said. Say, said. Make, made. Make, made. Sing, sang. Sing, sang. These are the cases which verbs are changing completely. Here we are not adding ED or D. Some verbs do not change at all. Some verbs do not change at all. Cut. Cut. The past tense is cut. Present and past is cut. Put. Put. Present and past form is put. Here we saw some verbs are changing completely, isn't it? See, so. But when we come here, it is not changing. Cut, cut. Here you can see so. This is present and this is past. Say, this is present and this is past. Understood? Make is present and made is past. Sing is present and sang is past. Now we can see this is not changing. Present and past form is not changing. Cut, cut. Put, put. Now we can learn simple future tense. What is simple future tense? That will happen, going to happen in the future. It can be happen at any time, after, in the evening, or at night, or tomorrow, or next week, or coming year. It is future. That is known as future tense. It is used by using will with the base form of the verb. Will is used with the base form of the verb. Can you see the example here? I will go. Go is a base form of the verb here. I will go to the swimming pool tomorrow morning. So he is saying that here you can see I will go to the swimming pool tomorrow morning. That is a future tense. A verb that speaks about an action that will take place in the future. What is going to happen in the future? Ishan will play football on Wednesday. When he is going to play? On Wednesday. Ishan will play. Play is the verb here. Play football on Wednesday. Your exam will be on next Monday. When will be your exam? On next Monday. It is a future tense here. I think it is understood that simple future tense we are using that will happen. It can be any time, after an hour or evening, tomorrow, next day. Understood? Now we have completed the lesson and the grammar part. You have to read the lesson properly and do the works in your textbook and be thorough with the grammar part. See you in next class.